while ano ba?
Woo! Bob, thank you so much.
Uy, meron pa doon.
Wow!
Yeah.
Wow! Saan ko naman binigay? Ano ba?
Let's sale.
Oh, nice! Look, what's this? Ralph! Wow! Hala ka bongbong. Wow! Wow! Wow!
Mataong.
Alam mo, kasya lang sa kanya, no? Pang ilang years old dito ga?
1 year and 2 years.
Malaki pa nga eh. Tama lang. Ala, yung binigay ko, malaki talaga siguro yun ba? Nice! Nice!
Yeah.
I-play mo yan bukas ka. Kasi it's a
Wow.
CD player ka?
Meron.
Yeah.
What's
Ay,
this?
very nice.
A bedtime book, Twinkle
Yeah, that one
Twinkle.
has the sounds.
May sound yan?
Yeah. You have to remove on the back.
Here you go. Rob, what's this? Nice. Wow.
Ay, kaganda naman. Saan yung nabibili yan?
Marks and Spencer!
Really? Thank you.
Kaya natin ebidensya.
May ebidensya pa eh. Nice. Thank you
Daddy
talaga.
will read you a book now.
play that one while you're playing the sing along. You can do
Dahil
it.
naman, yun pa oh.
Marks and Spencer din yan ga.
Hindi ate.
Saan niya nabili?
Booking
Sa ano te? Sa internet.
Yeah.
There is a CD with that so you can sing, you know.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
Ala, gusto ko ibili mga apo ko ga.
Box man talaga pag mga Facebook, di ba?
Oo.
Kasi para ano, mag-learn.
Wow!
Yeah. Lucky boy.
Lucky boy, say thank you. Ralph, thank you. Thank you. Siya pag maraming books, ganyan.
And this one as well,
iba-iba.
the red one and the cars. Oh,
Pawisan ako.
cars.
Mainit.
This one, look at this with the car.
Thank you so much na ano. May, yung mga gift pa pa doon. Kunin ko pa pala. Tao.
Wow!
Wow.
You can read that one with that.
Very nice.
Wow!
Nakagusto niya dyan.
Ha? Gusto niya, ginatitigan niya.
Ang cute ni Will.
Thank you.
Ginawa ko lang.